You won't believe these places are real until you see them in person. This video is 8 minutes long, and in the next 15 seconds, I'll show you the top 3 most unreal spots we'll dive into. Salar de Uyuni's endless mirror, Cappadocia's hot air balloon fields, at Sunrise Iceland's milky blue lagoon. I promise you a ride that feels like you're scrolling through a dream feed. Except, every single shot is somewhere you can actually go. I fly, I run, I get wet, I get cold. I shoot on the run, and I tell you the real stuff, how to get there, what hits you first, and the little details that make these places more than a postcard. This is not a travel brochure. It's me, with a camera, trying to make sense of how Earth pulls off magic tricks every single day. There's a moment when you step out onto Salar de Uyuni and the horizon disappears, so flat, so reflective after rains that the sky seems to fold into the ground. You're suddenly walking inside a giant horizontal cloud, arriving at dawn with a guide who shrugged like daily magic. No shadows, no depth cues, your brain starts playing tricks. It's like walking on a photograph, except the wind is real and the cold bites your ears. Shooting here needs calm air, a thin layer of water, and the right light angle. Yes, I laid flat, pretending to float. No, I wasn't having a breakdown. I was getting the shot. Best at dawn or dusk. Midday is harsh and kills the reflection. Bring sunscreen and layers. Base in Uyuni. Get a 444. Local guides matter. They know flooding and scale spots. I've slept in a salt hotel that felt like a spaceship and camped under crystalline stars. The salt crunches. The air smells like nothing. Your camera will hate you. Every shot looks like an ad. Pamukkale is what happens when a foam artist gets obsessed with geology. From a distance, a waterfall turned to stone, pools stepping down in perfect tiers. Sun makes them glow like porcelain. Overcast turns them ghostly. You walk barefoot. It feels like trespassing into an ancient spa. Warm, slightly milky waters smell of earth and minerals. Climb the Roman ruins above and look down at sunset. The staging feels cinematic. It's real and fragile. Conservation matters. Bring a towel. Expect entry fees. Be shoeless in public and move carefully. Terraces can be slippery. A rare geological performance that keeps earning applause. Cappadocia is where your morning coffee competes with a sky full of balloons. You stand on a ridge as hundreds of colorful orbs rise over fairy chimneys and cave dwellings. Riding is ridiculous and calming at once. The pilot reads wind like a book as you drift over carved valleys. Photographers chase light, couples hold hands, kids scream, colors pop against a lunar landscape. Book a reputable operator. Go early, it's a premium. Seek secluded ridgelines for crowd-free frames. Antelope Canyon is where light becomes a character. At the right angle, beams pour in like spotlights, turning red sandstone to molten copper. You squeeze through ribbons of rock. Every turn reveals a new texture, a new shade. Navajo guides lead and time the beams. It feels like a sandstone cathedral. Quiet, reverent, slightly sacred. Midday is best for beams. Check season and weather. Rain can close the canyon. Respect the rhythm. You don't scramble, you follow. Bring a crop or full frame. Practice low light and shoot portrait. The canyon favors tall frames. Jujaigu looks like a painter went wild. Turquoises, emeralds, peacock blues in tiered lakes and cascades. Calcium carbonate and plant life make liquid glass. Boardwalks turn every bend into a new color study. Tibetan-influenced, prayer flags and mountain hospitality color the experience. Remote roads, winter closures, mist that amplifies colors. Follow paths, mind barriers, keep it pristine. Walk, sit, watch the light move. The valley demands time. Zhangjiajie grows vertical skyscrapers of stone, organ pipes rising from a green sea, floating on mist. Walk platforms and glass bridges for a strangely pleasant vertigo. Cable cars and elevators help, but sunrise ridgelines earn the best views. Peak seasons crowd. Walk deeper for quiet vistas. Bring a wide angle, stitch panoramas, and pack patience. Weather erodes, forest reclaims. Learn the park's story. It turns photos into understanding. Yeah, those are the kinds of things to keep in mind. Santorini is the postcard that improbably exists in real life. Cubic whites on cliffs, cobalt domes, sunsets that stop conversation. You'll be jostled at golden hour, but wake early and the caldera breathes in peace. From terraces, ships drift below. Volcanic cliffs and black sand frame the blues. I shot time-lapses that looked like painted sets. Seek donkeyless paths, hike the rim, find a simple taverna, and let the view be the main course. It's pricey. Avoid traps. Book early, aim for sunrise, and bring shoes for endless stone steps. Plitvice is an orchestra of waterfalls and lakes in green and turquoise. Boardwalks weave face-to-face with cascades. Some stretches are cathedral quiet, others hum with shutters. Spring roars, autumn glows, winter freezes waterfalls into glass sculptures. Visit multiple zones, bring waterproof gear, go early or late, stay on boardwalks, don't swim, leave no trace. The colors depend on its health. Imagine lying in a dark boat while tiny bioluminescent creatures flicker above you like a ceiling of stars. That's Waitomo. Glowworms cling to the roof, emitting blue-green light that maps stone in constellations and doubles in still ponds. Guides paddle silently past stalactites and flowstones. Every whisper is careful. Photography needs long exposures and steady hands, but the memory is enough. Access is via guided tours. Commercial touches aside, the living galaxy remains authentic. Iceland's Blue Lagoon looks CGI. Milky water steaming through black lava like a sci-fi set. Silica mud and mineral halos turn every close-up surreal and photoreal all at once. Pre-book, go off-peak for calmer frames, and protect your camera. The mist gets everywhere. Over 8 minutes, we've crossed 10 places that look fake. All real, all waiting. Stick with me for deeper guides next time, and tell me which one you thought was CGI until now.